Now, in this problem, we're going to share equally, so there's no remainder. If we have 20 people to split equally into 5 teams, how many people will be in each team? What we need to do is think about the things that we know. Do we know the total? Do we know how many groups or teams we need to create? And do we know how many people per team? So there's always 3 things: the total, the number of groups, and the number of items per group. And in this example, the groups are our teams and the items per group are our people. So if we look at our problem, we do know that there are 20 people. So that's how many we've got all together. That's our total. We know we want to put them into 5 teams. So 5 teams is like our groups. So we've got 20 and we need to share them into 5 groups. So what we're solving is 20 divided by 5. 20 shared into 5 groups, and that equals 4. You can see now they've been given some shading, some of them, so that we can separate them into the 5 groups, and that means there are 4 people per team. And 4 5s are 20, so you can always check your answer by going backwards and working out the multiplication of your quotient, which is 4, multiplied by your divisor, which is 5, and that gives you the dividend, which is 20. Now, we could think of the same problem in a slightly different way. This time, I have 20 people to split equally into teams of 4. So this time, I know I've got 20 people, that's my total, and I know how many items in each group, or people in each team, that's 4. But I don't know how many groups. So this time, that's the missing figure. So it can vary what sort of information you need. So our teams or groups is the missing number. But if we've got the total or our dividend of 20 and one of the other 2 numbers, we can always work out the third number. 20 shared into teams of 4 this time equals 5. So you can see the groups are arranged down now vertically like columns. There are 4 columns of 5. 20 divided by 4 equals 5, so that means we have 5 teams. So there are a couple of different ways of looking at it, but you can always check 5 times 4 equals 20, and you can write 2 division problems from those 3 numbers. 20 divided by 4 equals 5, and 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Now, what if you've got a problem with an extra layer? In this case, you earn $360 pocket money in 1 year. So it looks like we've got 2 pieces of information there. How much do you earn per month? Now, this is a bit different because it's not asking us about years. It's telling us years, but it's asking about months. So what we need to do is remember that there are 12 months in 1 year. So we have to first actually think about what numbers to work with. So what we're going to do is rewrite our question. You earn $360 pocket money in 12 months. It's exactly the same thing, but now we can actually work out how much per month. Our total is $360. We need to share it among 12, divide it into 12 months. So that means we're going to be solving $360 divided by 12. So if we solve the problem, 360 divided by 12, we might not know that answer, but we could think about 36 divided by 12, and that's 3. And if you're not sure, you can count 12, 24, 36. So if 36 divided by 12 equals 3, what could we do with that 3 for our other problem? 360, well, that's like 36 tens divided by 12, so our answer will be 3 tens, or 30. So we had 2 steps to this problem. So now we can answer how much do you earn per month, and you earn $30. And you'll see I haven't used dollar signs on this particular line, but at the final answer stage I did put my dollar sign because I'm thinking about the original question. So I need my dollar sign for that part.